about business and markets moving, it's time for us to talk a little bit about how storytelling comes in handy for you to tell your stories there. For that, I'm going to bring on stage our moderator, partner, Stride Ventures. Please give a huge round of applause for Fariha Ansari Javed. How are you, sir? Could you...
All right. So the next panel is about the art of storytelling, right? It's the stories that we tell our investors, we tell ourselves, we tell our founders, we tell our teams, but more than anything, it's the art of it, right? So please, a big round of applause for Javed Akhtar, the legendary poet, screenwriter, and Guneet Monga, the film producer behind the Oscar-winning documentary, The Elephant Whisperers.
All yours. Enjoy yourself. Once again,
Thank
please
you.
give them a round of applause while they come up on stage.
Okay, they don't need any introductions, so I'm not going to make any. But, you know, today we have the privilege of delving into the creative minds of these two luminaries, right? Exploring their unique perspectives that can inspire and guide the startup ecosystem. From Javed Sahab's mastery of words and storytelling to Guneet Monga's ability to bring those powerful narratives to life. Let's delve right into it. And I'm going to ask Javed Sahab, एक स्टार्टअप को देखा तो कैसा लगा?
Well, she had asked me when I was in my room, she had come to give me the shock that there are two questions which I am supposed to answer in film songs language. So this is the stationery of the hotel on which I quickly wrote. एक स्टार्टअप को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे भूखा हो शेर, जैसे बढ़ते हों पैर, जैसे ऊंची उमंग, जैसे खुद से ही जंग, जैसे कोई ख्याल आए बिल्कुल नया. एक स्टार्टअप को देखा तो ऐसा लगा.
Thank you.
Another demand was about a startup's romantic song. देखिए रोमांस क्या होता है जिसमें हमेशा ये डिमांड होती है that we will be together, we'll share all our happiness and all our sorrows, we will walk on the same path with hands in the hands, we will never part, and so on. यही इसी तरह की किस्में होती हैं. तो सिर्फ दो ही लाइनें काफ़ी है. अरे अकेले ना पैसा कमा ले, अरे हमको भी तो पार्टनर बना ले.
Thank you so much
Now,
for that.
let's go to some slightly sensible level.
So, Guneet, 1.4 billion people in India, and the best film at the Oscars was two incredible women. Wow. You have inspired people by saying you don't need a seat at the table. You make your own table, right? You're really a force to be reckoned with. And what I wanted to ask you is about courage, about taking risks. Can you discuss a time when you took a risk? How did that pan out for you?
You know, I really resonate with that line, and I think I overuse it. Risk hai to ishq hai. You know, so I overuse it in my office rooms, and every decision that we make, every film is kind of a risk. मतलब because हम लोग हर रोज़ एक कुछ नया कर रहे होते हैं. You know, you of course get your balance sheets in place, and you do your numbers, and you're, you know, approximately trying to be like हम यहाँ तक तो पहुँच जाएंगे. But and then it is the audience. So there is a definite risk in every decision you make. So be it Lunchbox, or be it Masan, or be it Gangs of Wasseypur, or be it Kathal Paglet, or even recently Kill. You know, the films that I have produced over the years, they've all been extremely risky and path breaking in retrospectively. But शुरुआत तो करने में काफ़ी risky होती हैं. So especially, you know, I think when I did Lunchbox, I remember firstly nobody wanted to invest in it, okay, in my industry, and then I was like, ठीक है, चलो हम figure out करके खुद बना लेते हैं. राइट, वील फिगर आउट द मनी, हम खुद बनाएंगे, कफन बांध के निकलेंगे, कुछ हो जाएगा. And then I went through the treaty, I went through a lot of bureaucracy and raised half the money in France, in India, made the film. तो फिल्म बनाने के बाद मैंने सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स को दिखाई और उसके बाद भी उन्होंने कहा इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो यू नो देन यू आर जस्ट लाइक आप यू नो आई वाज एक्चुअली सैट डाउन एंड टोल्ड कि यू आर अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन गुनीत, आइडियाज़ भी तुम्हारे काफ़ी दबंग हैं, अच्छे हैं, बट इस मतलब देयर इज़ नो सॉन्ग, हाउ विल यू एवर प्रमोट अ फिल्म विदाउट अ सॉन्ग. एक भी गाना नहीं है पूरी पिक्चर में. ऑफ कोर्स कोई स्लो मोशन में साड़ी नहीं उड़ रही, ऑफ कोर्स, एंड इट्स अ वेरी यू नो ओल्डर पीपल लव स्टोरी, ऑल्सो अ लॉट इन वॉइस ओवर, ऑल्सो अ लॉट इन इंग्लिश. ये सब मेरा लेंस नहीं था, ये सब बाद में बताया जाता है. फिर कहा जाता है कि सिनेमा में आने वाले लोग 18 से 16 से 24 साल के लोग हैं, दे विल यू नो दे एक्चुअली कम एंड कंज्यूम अ फिल्म, एंड वहाँ से वर्ड ऑफ माउथ शुरू होता है. बट बिकॉज यू आर टारगेटिंग 40+ इन योर लव स्टोरी, दोज पीपल ओनली कम इन वीक 3, वीक 5, यू नो, जब पिक्चर इतनी चल जाती है. तो ऐसे स्टैट्स के साथ मेरे साथ बैठा जाता था, तो मतलब तब तो लग रहा था कि मतलब पूरा ही रिस्क है. एंड देन फॉर इट टू गो ऑन एंड बिकम अ हाईएस्ट बॉक्स ऑफिस इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म इन इंडिया एंड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, वो यूएस में भी फॉरेन लैंग्वेज हाईएस्ट बॉक्स ऑफिस फिल्म थी. यू नो ऑफ कोर्स वी वर बाफ्टा नॉमिनेटेड, वी मेड अ टन ऑफ recognition, won awards around the world, of course made money. But yes, the whole journey was a risk and a bunch of decision making. उसके अंदर सबसे बड़ा रिस्क था कि एंड में, आई डोंट नो इफ हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन लंच बॉक्स हियर, एंड में इफ यू मेक द कपल मीट और नॉट, यू नो, उसी के ऊपर इतनी वो था कि अगर तुमने नहीं मिलवाया ना पिक्चर बैठ जाएगी. तो वो भी रिस्क है, मतलब नॉट जस्ट फाइनेंशियल रिस्क. हमारी जर्नी में ना हम हर डिसीजन में, हर स्टोरी टेलिंग के डिसीजन में, सीन में, हमारे इतने सारे डिसीजन मेकिंग्स होते हैं ना. एंड बिकॉज वी आर इन द आर्ट्स, you know, there's no right and no wrong, it's all subjective, it's all personal, it's all हमारी सोच and हमारे exposure से लिए गए decisions. So what happens is that it becomes, you're always treading that thin line where there is always somebody who says ये नहीं चलने वाली, इसका कुछ नहीं हुआ.
It's safe to say that you will not have that problem with the investors anymore. I'm sure that you're just fighting them off. They're like just fighting to do your next film.
Couldn't agree more with her. You know what is the problem of a society? We genuinely believe that nothing should be done for the first time.
Yeah.
Second time it's okay, but first time it should never be done. We only believe in references. Anything that has not happened should not happen. I remember when I had gone to film industry, I was a very young person. I was 20, and ultimately somehow I managed to get an appointment from a producer because they were not sure ये क्या लड़का लिखेगा इतना सा. तो मैंने एक स्क्रिप्ट उन्हें सुनाई, and he heard it with total attention. So I thought that maybe he'll buy it. But then he started thinking. Those were the time when in film industry men used to call each other darling and all the women were madam. So he said, darling, तेरी स्क्रिप्ट तो अच्छी है मगर इसमें एक रिस्क है. तो I asked him, what is the risk? कहले मैं सोच रहा था मगर ये कहानी किसी पिक्चर में आई नहीं है. So this is the mindset. Maybe he said it in a very poor and tactless manner, but that is what by and large people believe in every walk of life. Yeah. And I have people who are sitting here. I have great respect for you people. Anyone who thinks of startup is a person who says that I don't want to walk on trodden paths. Hats off to you. अच्छा, thank you.
And absolutely, and उसके बाद
मैंने एक शेर कहा है, पामाल रास्ता यानी ट्रॉडन पाथ, जिधर जाते हैं सब जाना उधर अच्छा नहीं लगता, मुझे पामाल रास्तों का सफ़र अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो यू आर द पीपल हु हैव चोजन दैट. There is security in becoming an engineer, particularly there was a time when civil engineer was the best engineer because there was a lot of money in it. Now mechanical engineer, there is a time when IAS was very big, doctor, engineer. Every parent wants his or her daughter or son to be doctor or engineer and so on. These are the safe things. If somebody thinks that no, I have an idea, and that idea is precious to me much more than insecurity, I respect that person. And that is what you people are doing. My best wishes.
Sorry, Guneet, I think you wanted to add to that. No. Okay. A question for Javed ji, actually. All of us here are building towards a better tomorrow, a better future, 5 years from now, next quarter. How do you balance the future and the present? The dil chata hai with the kal hona ho.
You see, there has to be a balance between kal hona ho and dil chahta hai. Like, suppose I develop an ambition to become the emperor of Japan, I think it will be slightly difficult. There has to be a happy synthesis or combination between what I can do and what I would like to do. And on both the fronts, take a little risk. If you know that you can do 10, convince yourself that you can do 12. If you think the possibility is 10, again convince yourself the policy is 12, possibility is 12. That will make you stand on your toes, and you cannot plan everything in the beginning, whether the idea or the future. It comes drop by drop, day by day, hour by hour, moment by moment, meeting by meeting. So if you want to plan everything right from the beginning, it won't happen like that. Some people ask me, what is the secret of success? This is a question that I have confronted in many Q&A sessions. I tell them, you take Amazon, not the company but the river, Nile, Brahmaputra, Volga, all the big Yangtze, big rivers of the world. When they start, their goal is to reach the ocean. But if you look at topography, if you look at their trajectory, every river has gone in its own way. Why? Because every river had a different topography which they had to cross. Not the same place. Nile had to cross a desert. Amazon had to cross a deep forest. Brahmaputra had to cross mountains and rocks. So obviously their trajectory will be different. But all of them have reached the ocean, which is their success. So what made them successful? Not the trajectory, not the path, but the power in the flow of water. So let's forget about the circumstances. Do you have that power inside you, which Nile has, or Brahmaputra has? If you have that, you'll reach the ocean. They will not make paths for you. No river gets signals, turn left, turn right. No door opens between the mountains and the desert for rivers to receive them. They make their path. So, of course, when you will take an untrodden path, you will have problems. You better be ready for that. You will be demoralized by people. Your own people will tell you, see, didn't we tell you that you shouldn't do it? You'll hear it. Don't worry, after some years, the same people will say, हमें तो पहले से ही पता था. You have to have that energy and you will reach. मगर वो possibility में होना चाहिए. No river has tried to reach Mars. Rivers are much more realistic than some of the people. So that is how you should be. Your ambition and your capability should have a happy synthesis.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that. I mean, that's deeply motivating. And, you know, Guneet, you've you told us a little bit, we've just scratched the surface on, how difficult it was, right? Adversity. I want to ask you, what made you stay on that path? What is it that just kept you resilient? I want to hear from you.
बेइंतहा मोहब्बत है तो वो एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत, वो कभी कभी वापस भी प्यार आ जाता है, भरपूर आता है. बट आई लव स्टोरी टेलिंग, आई लव द बिजनेस ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग. आई love it when sound and music comes together. It transcends, it makes my gut cheer, you know. मुझे एक्चुअली पूरी फिल्म मेकिंग की जर्नी में फाइनल मिक्स में बहुत मज़ा आता है, बिकॉज हम कब से वो पिरो रहे होते हैं, हम वो सींच रहे होते हैं, उसको नर्चर कर रहे होते हैं, और फिर सडनली सब कुछ एक साथ आ जाता है. सडनली आपकी इमेजिनेशन जो एक लिविंग रूम कॉन्वर्सेशन है, एक पिच है, आपने कितने दरवाजे खटकाए, आपने कितनी पापड़ें बेले, डजेंट मैटर आफ्टर अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, it's out there and you're damn proud of it, so you've just, and there is nothing in the world that can replace that joy. So I love it and I do it again and again and again to be in that final mix, of my film, of my anything, there is, and it drives you. So when your passion can meet with your success and your, you can also make a livelihood of it, then you're living your ideal life. आप उसका वेरिएंस कर सकते हो कि मतलब how much is enough, but मेरे लिए ये बहुत, I feel very, very, very grateful and very blessed that I do what I love doing. I absolutely love doing it. And it's a very long process. एक पिक्चर बनाने में आपको कम से कम 2 से 3 साल लगते हैं. 1 साल तो स्क्रिप्टिंग में ही लग जाता है, एंड देन वो शुरू होता है. वो 1 साल 2 साल तो इट इज़ अ 3-year minimum, a 3-year journey for a producer on it, minimum. कभी 5 साल भी लग जाते हैं, कभी. So you have to be so much in love that every morning आपको उससे फिर से उतना ही प्यार हो कि मैं आज भी उसी के ऊपर काम करूँगी. So what is the definition of success for me? So my definition of success is if I can wake up every morning inspired, I am successful. So अगर मैंने आज सुबह उठकर ये बोल दिया ना कि ना ये नहीं हो पाएगा, then मतलब क्या? If I wake up every morning inspired, I will kill the day, I will have good meetings, I will take my stories forward, and those stories fuel my imagination, my life, my being, my soul, my everything, my life. And that's why I choose to be a producer. And I'm a producing geek. So I love cinema, I love the business. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्रशंसक हूँ of people who can write, of people who can take this imagination, and I just want to be the person who takes it to the world. And from day one, how do I add value on any story? Is I question that. So more like मुझे लगता है कि कुछ कोई सोच रहा है ना, तो मैं और उसके 10 दरवाजे खोल सकती हूँ. And that is my passion, and that is where I find my being and my idea of success.
May I add something to it?
Please.
You see, we are in the presence of a lady who has achieved excellence, and this is not my opinion, the world agrees. But why do we achieve, and why do we need to achieve excellence? You people are there. When we start doing something, there are many motivations. One, that you want to prove to yourself that you can do something. 2, you want to show it to your peers that, see, you are worth something, you are capable of doing something. 3, you want some recognition from the society. 4, you want some feast, some remuneration, some reward from the people for what you have achieved. All these 4 desires are fulfilled by the time you are very good. You know you are very good at the job, your peers pat you on the back, the society recognizes you, gives you respect, and you get some kind of reward, whatever. Why should you be excellent? What's the need? Why she had become excellent? There is only one reason under the sun to be excellent. high self-esteem.
Wow.
Maybe people are happy with my work. Maybe this is good enough for them, not for me. I know I can do better. This needs high self-esteem. People who have low self-esteem will be very satisfied, very happy. अरे मेरे को तो पूरा मोहल्ला मेरे ही पास आता है दवा मांगने, उसी में खुश है. पान की दुकान उधार दे देती है, उसी में खुश है. ये लो सेल्फ स्टीम है. आपको ये आपकी हाई स्टीम बताती है कि मे बी द वर्ल्ड इज हैप्पी विद मी. आई एम नॉट, because I know I can do better. And this thought will come to you only with high self-esteem. This lady, however modest she is looking, she has a very, very high self-esteem.
Thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.
Javed
Firstly,
Saab,
thank you, Stride, for making this dream come true. So thank you, Ishpreet, and the team at Stride, and all of you, because this is a dream, even for me.
and for everyone in the room as
thank
well.
you.
For everyone in the room, what tips can you give people on their storytelling? I mean, we're all storytellers. We're pitching something. We're trying to inspire. Any guidance on how we can tell better stories to get that check? Maybe.
No such illusion about myself or delusion that these people need my wisdom. Honestly, they don't. They are smarter than us. सच बात तो ये है. लेकिन यही है कि love yourself, be proud of yourself, and be proud of your work. The others are not the criteria of your excellence. You yourself are. Now, may I, with your permission, enter a totally uncharted ocean, which is for me. I am very, very poor in certain things. Not that I'm very excellent in the rest of them. I think I have a bank account in three banks. I have an account. Which are those banks? I don't remember. I have never seen those banks. Honestly, I don't know in which account how much money I have. I don't know how income tax is paid, but thankfully, I have been paying income tax from 72, 73. Till today, I never had the smallest problem because of some people who are around me. I am totally dependent on them. I don't know anything about the nuances of corporate world, of export and import and production and so on. But there are certain things which don't need only information or knowledge or statistics, but basic common sense. We are a country of 100.40 million people. It means every fourth or fifth Indian person on this planet is an Indian.
Yeah.
We talk of this export, we talk of this country, we talk of this export and so on and so forth. The biggest market that is possible every fifth man is here with us. But yes and no. I have no idea, you people will know better, that products that are made, whether fashion products or luxury products or basic comforting products like refrigerator, which was mentioned here in an earlier session, or air conditioner. What is the percentage of this 140 million people that buys these things? Can anybody tell me? Can't hear you.
4%.
4%. It means your market is 4% in India. Do you have any desire to expand this market? Instead of 4%, if 10%, 25%, 30%, 40% become your buyer, your client, you won't need the rest of the world. But for that, those people should have dispensable income, disposable income. They have, after the basic needs of food and house and clothes and fees and health, they have some money which can they spend on your wallet, on your purse, on your clothes. Suppose that is achieved, your market will increase by 100 times. If from 4 to 40 you reach, it will become so much. How do we achieve that? The fact is that many people who had this responsibility, many institutions that had this responsibility, let's not go into the detail, which are not very pleasant, have abdicated this responsibility. We judge our country, our affluence by the GDP, not by human index. You should bother about it. Every company that you start, big or small, should have a big or a small helping hand, relief fund. Because it is not philanthropy, believe me, it's a very subtle investment. If you help one family to give their children good education, this child will grow up and will become your client, your buyer. Hopefully, your company, your startup is not for 10 years or 15 years or 20 years. It will go from generation to generation. This investment will take 25 to 30 years. The younger generation will grow up if they have better education, if they have some help from somebody, they will be in better economic position. They'll buy your bag. They'll buy your clothes, your toothpaste, your toothbrush.
Thank you for that. Wow. I had a rapid fire now. Are we ready? I'm going to put both of you on the spot. Okay. If you had
I don't mind rapid, what kind of fire you have.
Well, I have plenty. You can ask my boss, but
Your favorite color?
no. If your life was a movie, what would the title be?
First of all, to think that there will be a film that will be made on me.
No,
And
they
then
will.
that-
Yeah, I think Guneet is going to make it.
But anyway, whoever makes the movie has the right to keep the title.
Acha.
They won't ask me and they should not ask me. If they are so dumb that they can't think of a good title, they should not make film on me.
Life is beautiful for me.
Oh, thank you
अगर
for
आपकी
that.
जिंदगी भी कोई पिक्चर बने तो उसका क्या टाइटल हो? So I
यही
said,
तो मैं उनसे कह रहा
Life is
हूँ
beautiful.
जो लोग पिक्चर बना रहे हैं अगर वो टाइटल तक नहीं सोच सकते तो मेरी
ये
फिल्म ना
हमारा
बनाए किसी
rapid
और
fire.
की बनाए
तो for me it's life is beautiful.
Life is beautiful. And Guneet, to you, if you had to make a movie on a startup, what would that startup be?
I've thought about that. In fact, I'd produced Surarari Potru, which was on the life of Captain Gopinath, the man who made Air Deccan. It's a Tamil film and it's out there and I'm very proud of that. Partnered with Surya, the actor on it. And abhi abhi uska Hindi remake bhi aaya tha. But I've been thinking about that and I really want to make a story on Flipkart.
Flipkart. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Deeply inspiring. But I've just gotten the indication that we have to wrap up. So sadly, we do have to wrap up. Thank you both so much for your time today. This has been deeply, deeply inspiring. Please, everyone, can we have a round of applause for these two legends
Thank you so much.
that we have on stage. Thank you.